Hey friends, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, I welcome you. I'm back, you guys, with another summer sale haul. So I had a couple BOPUS orders that I had placed once the SAS became the summer sale, as Bath & Body Works actually are still marking down more products. So I saw some soaps online that went down to $1.99 and I picked those up, as well as some candles that also dropped 75% off that I wanted to experience as part of my collection. So yeah, I have a pretty large haul to share with you all. I really hope you guys enjoy content like this. If you do, be sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. You are welcome here. Let's get started. Okay friends, so I'm gonna start with the soaps first. And there wasn't a huge selection of soaps online. I just saw this particular scent pop online at a location near me, so I definitely wanted to have this one to experience this, which I believe I experienced this soap maybe some years back, but I haven't had that soap since, and I really only like to pick up soap at 75% off. So the soap that I'm speaking about is the Coconut Lime Verbena. So I'm not sure when these came out, possibly the beginning of summer, I'm not too sure. But the fragrance notes are zesty lime, lemon, verbena, coconut water. So anything with coconut and lime, I know it's going to be a good combo. So this one actually has coconut water, so it's not like a heavy, creamy body care coconut that Bath & Body Works typically do. I'm going to give this one a sniff because this one is so refreshing and it's very light, so it's nothing heavy scented about this soap. Yeah, this one smells very watery. It's a very fresh coconut, slightly sweet, and you get that bright zesty lime in here. I really do like this one, you guys. So the juice is actually more clear. It doesn't look like it really has a color to it. But this one, I smell more of the lime, actually. It's very heavy lime scented, and then you get that coconut water in the background. It is slightly sweet, but I think it's more of like a salty sweet with that zesty, bright, refreshing lime. It is super good, you guys. So hopefully you guys got a chance to possibly experience this one once it went 75% off. My store actually had quite a few of these, so once I seen them available online, I definitely placed the order. I really do like how it has the lime displayed on the front, and the verbena note in here, definitely more of a beachy, summertime, sweet, salty fragrance. I think it's very good for like a coconut fresh summer fragrance. I did pick up quite a few of these, you guys. I picked up I believe like 18 of the coconut lime verbena. So when there's a scent that I really do like, I like to stock up, especially at the 75% off price point. So yeah, I thought this one smelled really good. It's not too loud, so your hands definitely would smell very clean and lime refreshing. So here's another one, and I believe it's like 10 in this particular order. And here is the 10th one. And that's everything for the bag. And then I also picked up 8 more in this particular BOPUS order of the same fragrance, Coconut Lime Verbena. And here are 2 more. And the last 2 out this bag. So yeah, these are all of the Coconut Lime Verbena that I picked up, placing 2 separate BOPUS orders because I wasn't sure like how many the store actually had, so I just placed 2 separate BOPUS orders. Okay, so I'm going to just slide these soaps over to the side so I can better display my other items for you guys. Okay friends, so as you can see, these bags are pretty much full of candles. And you guys, I was so excited because when I went in store to pick up my Coconut Lime Verbena soaps, they had a full table of 75% off candles. I almost fainted, you guys. And the opposite side of the table had 50% off candles. So you really had to have done your homework to know which candles were actually 75% off, as they kind of were all blended in together. So yeah, you guys, I actually ended up picking up a lot of 75% off candles, and a couple of these candles are candles that I have yet to experience, so I'm super excited about that. Some of these candles are actually wrapped, so let's take this wrapping off. And one of the candles that dropped to 75% off is this Anna's Garden, which I've never experienced this candle. I wanted to experience this collection at a sales price. I'm really glad that I was able to find this candle in store, you guys. And this was part of the Black History collection. The fragrance notes for Anna's Garden are orange blossom, white tea, jasmine musk, with natural essential oils. So the price point is $26.95. And I do like the ombre design for this candle. It's very elegant. And on the front, it says fragrance created by Gwen Gonzalez, designed by Katria Judkins. And the lid color is gold to match the actual goldish color on the candle wrapper. So this is what the wax and those wicks look like. These are the short rope-like wicks. And I'm gonna give this one a sniff, you guys. So on cold, this one smells so good. It actually does smell like a garden. It's very floral. I immediately am hit with a strong neroli note. So you would have to enjoy neroli and orange blossom to really like this fragrance. And I believe neroli and orange blossom come from the same family. I think just that the extraction process is a bit different. Yeah, this one smells amazing, you guys. I get a lot of the orange blossom, and I do get a lot of the neroli. So it's not a pungent floral. This one is sweet. It's alluring. It also has a softness to it as well. As the jasmine, it gives it more of a perfumey type fragrance. It's beautiful. I mean, all three notes in this candle smells amazing. The jasmine musk in here is sweet. It really does sweeten it up, in my opinion. As well as the neroli. This one is so beautiful, you guys. On the label, it says, a tribute to my mom whose flower gardens always make us feel at home wherever we are. So I don't get anything offensive smelling about this candle. I think it's one of the best floral candles that I've smelled from Bath & Body Works. This one is sweet, it's alluring, somewhat sexy in my opinion with the jasmine musk, because the jasmine musk reminds me of jasmine that we get in our perfumes. So yeah, if you guys enjoy jasmine scented floral fragrances, this one is really nice with the orange blossom. You guys know I stocked up on this candle as the location that I visited had tons of these. So you guys, I really stocked up on Anna's Garden. So that's one there. Here's another Anna's Garden. Anna's Garden. And here's another one here. So friends, for 75% off, you really couldn't beat that price point of $6.74. However, to sweeten up the deal, I had $25 off of $100. So I ended up getting these candles for about $5 and some change. A super, super great deal. And here's another Anna's Garden. So I'm just gonna remove the actual candle crate out of this bag so I can better display the candles for you all. Okay, you guys, so here's a crate of more Anna's Garden. I picked up so many of these. I think I picked up all the ones that that particular location had. So yeah, this is an entire crate of Anna's Garden. So now we're gonna move on to the last bag, which are also some additional 75% off clearance candles that I wanna share with you all. Okay, friends, so another candle that I came across, and this location actually only had one on the 75% off table. This is the scent Cherry Blossom Soju. So this is another candle that I've never experienced in my collection. This one displays that both the cherry blossoms and the Korean tradition of drinking soju are rooted in symbols of friendship and togetherness. In a gesture of friendship, I share a piece of my heritage with you. So, fragrance created by Linda Song and designed by Kenneth Chim. So, the fragrance notes are bright cherry blossoms, jasmine, splash of soju. So this one, you guys, smelled so good to me on cold. It has a beautiful glossy black lid, as you can see, and the design has a Japanese touch to it. I do like it. Is very unique. So this is what the wax looks like. It's a beautiful pinky color and it's very fragrant. As soon as I took the lid off, I could smell the sweetness of the cherries. And this actually smells like cherry juice, in my opinion, just smelling it on cold. It's very fragrant on cold. So yeah, the actual wax color matches the color of the design on the actual label. So I really do adore this pink color of the actual wax. So cute. So smelling this on cold, I knew immediately that I wanted to pick this up at the clearance price because it is so soft and sweet to the senses. No offensive notes from this cherry blossom scent. It's actually more sweet than floral in my opinion. It does smell like cherry juice, although there are no fruity notes in this candle, and cherry blossom is a floral. But actually the splash of soju, I believe, is what makes this smell like a drink or some sort of like juice. I've never had a soju, so it may be something that I experience in the future. And I don't really get much of the jasmine. As I mentioned on cold, this actually smells more fruity in my opinion, like a fruity cherry drink. However, once this one is lit or maybe put on the warmer, you may get more of the jasmine notes come through. But on cold, I really don't get any jasmine. I don't get any floral. I would have thought this was just a fruity cherry fragrance. But it's so sweet and soft and it smells so good, you guys. It smells just like the sweetest pure cherry juice, and I really do like cherry fragrances. This does remind me of an older cherry fragrance, which actually was one of my favorites. I think it was Cherry Cheesecake that Bath & Body Works came out with years ago, maybe 6-7 years ago. Oh my gosh, the cherry cheesecake smelled so yummy. However, it was more of like a gourmand, but the cherry was sweet and fruity, and it smells like the cherry in this candle. So yeah, you guys, I was able to find one, and I will also share another BOPUS haul that I have coming up, as I did pick up some more additional 75% off candles, so stay tuned. So that's one cherry blossom there. And then they also had the Black History collection, My Sweet Sisters, and they had a table full of this candle. You guys, I could not believe my eyes. So this candle states that the only thing that can compare with my love for my sisters is my love for chocolate. Some of my best memories growing up include sharing laughter and tears and sweets. So this fragrance was created by Gwen Gonzalez and also designed by Katria Judkins. And same ombre color label, just a slightly different color. This one has like some gold accents and pink accents, just like the front label. The fragrance notes are sugared cinnamon, toasted hazelnut, and cake batter. So this will also be my first time experiencing My Sweet Sisters, as I never picked this one up. So this is what the wax and those wicks look like. We'll definitely have to put some work in trimming these down before I light them. So I'm going to give this one a sniff. And this one on cold, I get much of the hazelnut. I barely get any cinnamon that I can appreciate because I'm not crazy about cinnamon scented candles. I get more of a creamy hazelnut. Ooh, this one smells so gourmand and so sweet, but not overpowering sweet. I also get the cake batter as well. So I would say the prominent note is the toasted hazelnut, and then the second note will be the cake batter, as it's very sweet. I really don't smell much of that sugared cinnamon. So this one is not spicy at all. It's very soft and creamy to the senses, smelling it on cold. It's definitely nutty from the hazelnut, but this one is so nice and creamy and sweet. A nice sweet gourmand candle. So yes, you really did a great job on my sweet sisters, and I picked up quite a few of these. So that's one there. Here's another my sweet sisters. I have an entire crate that I'm going to pull out to better display for you all. Okay friends, I'm back. So this entire crate, maybe my sweet sisters. Here's another one here. I was so happy to come across this candle. I thought it was a lost cause, as I never expected this collection to go 75% off. So you guys, I'm just so excited. Here's another my sweet sisters. Yep, here's another one here. Here's another Anna's Garden. And then I have another my sweet sisters. So now we're going to move on to the last crate in this bag that I'm going to display for you guys. Okay friends, I'm back displaying the last crate of candles. Here is another Anna's Garden. Another Anna's Garden. Anna's Garden. Anna's Garden. This one, maybe all Anna's Garden, maybe. Because I did get more quantities of Anna's Garden. And the last one is Anna's Garden. So friends, I'm going to reposition my camera so I can give you all a final display of all the items that I picked up during my haul. Okay friends, so I ended up picking up a total of 17 candles in the scent Anna's Garden at the $6.74 price point, with the $25 off $100. So I brought the candles down to about $5 and some change, a phenomenal savings. I also picked up one cherry blossom soju candle, so good. Also a total of 7 candles in the scent My Sweet Sisters. And then I also picked up a total of 18 foaming hand soaps in the scent Coconut Lime Verbena. So refreshing and so beautifully scented on the hands. So yes, you guys, another successful summer sale haul. You guys, I have a couple more BOPUS orders to pick up as I'm still shopping the sale. The savings are just incredible. So if you have it, I say take advantage of it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.